Hello, geometry! Welcome to week 2's vocabulary video. So, this week we are going to start learning about something called area of a sector. So, we've only got a couple of vocabulary words for you this time, so this should be pretty quick. So, the main word that we need to talk about today is sector. So a sector is just a piece of a circle but we of course have to have some other specifics that go with this. So it's a piece of a circle that is in between two radii and their intercepted arc. A sector has to touch the center point. So what does this look like? Let's get a little bit more space on the screen. So I'm going to slide down and I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, here's a circle. So let's put a center point in this circle. Let's call that point D. So to make a sector, I have to have two radii. So a radius goes from the center point to the edge of the circle. So let's call this point C, and there is one radius. So it says a sector is a piece of a circle that is in between two radii. So I gotta make another radius. Let's call this point E. So DE is another radius, and their intercepted arc. So the intercepted arc is the arc from C to E. So in between radius CD, radius ED, and arc CE is a sector. So you could also describe this as kind of like a slice of pizza on the center point. Another important thing for us to remember when we're looking at sectors is that it's at the center point, which means it's related to the central angle. And we know the central angle is an angle that touches this center point D. So angle CDE is our central angle. So if I know how many degrees this is, that will help me. We'll get into that when we do some examples. So as usual, make sure you get this definition in your notes. Send me an email if you have any questions, and our next video we'll talk about actually finding the area of this little slice of pizza.